Cetus2 has recently received a new upgrade, bringing new accessories WAN server and support for the open-source software OrcaSlicer, and a big upgrade in performance, so let's take a look. First, we connect the WAN server to the printer and power it on. When WAN server is connected to a Cetus2 with a new motherboard, it will boot the new system. Connect the WAN server to the same Wi-Fi as your computer and make a note of the IP address. If the IP address is not displayed after connecting to Wi-Fi, restart the WAN server to recover. Open OrcaSlicer and create a new project. Import the 3 presets we uploaded. After introducing the preset, replace the first and second materials with our preset materials. Set the print area size to 200 multiplied by 300 in the printer settings, and then import the Cetus2 photos. Come, let's understand the meaning of the specific code. Once connected, you can upload and print the model directly. If you change the number of isprobe equals 0 isbedmesh equals 0 to 1, do the print head alignment and leveling before each printing. Isprobe is for height and isbedmesh is for leveling. The number after T is the number of the nozzle. The third line of the code sets the parameters for the pressure advance. Caution: activating the pressure advance in the setup results in an error and can only be set by code. Since Cetus2 is real-time 2-color switching, all changeover-related parameters should be 0 or off. Close the ramming parameters. These 3 parameters also need to be changed to 0 seconds. Return all values of single extruder multi-material parameters under material parameters to 0. Change the value under retraction when switching material to 0. If you print a model that requires a change of material tower, first change the flushing volumes parameter to 5. And from the material parameter here, change the value of minimal purge on wipe tower to 5. Another material is also in need of revision. Let's import a model to try out 2-color printing and effects. Colorize the model. Import a submodel and change the size and material. Slice the model to see the effect. Next, let's connect the 3D printer. Enter the IP address displayed by the printer and click Test. Follow the pop-up prompts to see if the connection is successful. Once connected, you can upload and print the model directly. And you can view real-time print status in the software.